Android, how to rearrange home screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to rearrange the home screen, what you can simply do is make a long press on the home screen and then tap on the settings option. Simply tap on more, and here you can select the home screen option. You can select if you want app drawer, if you want classic, or you can just want light mode. So I'm going to select on with app drawer, and here you can just tap on manage app categories. Over here you can select the background, scroll bar, and so on. So next, what you can do in order to arrange it, you can just make a long press on any other apps and then drag it wherever you would want. And you can do this over and over again just to change and arrange your home screen. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.